So, how do you know when it is safe to remove a GraphQL field? The answer for me is easy. I just use fact and logic. Hi, I'm Eddie from the Guild, and let me tell you what I mean with a real example. Recently, I was trying to integrate the latest version of GraphQL CodeGen and server preset into Hive console. If you haven't heard of Hive, it's the Guild's platform for schema registry and analytics for GraphQL APIs. And yep, it's open source. You can poke around the code on GitHub. On the screen right now is Hive console code. When I run the new version of CodeGen server preset, it injects a skeleton resolver for this deprecation reason field, but it was not there previously. It even hints that if not implemented, there could be an error when clients query for this field. Now, Hive uses GraphQL CodeGen with server preset, which means every time CodeGen runs, it does a smart static analysis. If something's off, CodeGen will generate resolver skeletons to be filled out. Now, this is CodeGen's way of saying, hey, something's not quite right here. If we don't fix it, it would break at runtime. But here's the weird part. No clients were complaining. No bug report, no errors, nothing. That means logically, maybe that field is not used at all. I've talked about this topic at GraphQL 2025. The link is in the description. You can view the recording to understand the motivation and benefits of server preset. Anyways, I trust CodeGen and server preset logic. But what if it is wrong? What if I remove this field and someone is still using it in production? I'll never be able to sleep at night unless I know I have proof that no one is querying for it. Then it hits me. Hive console tracks its own metrics. So I could literally just ask Hive, has anyone called this field recently? So that's what I did. I went to Hive, put in object type name, type in the field name, check the last 1 year, and guess what? 0 calls, nobody was using it. So we deleted it with full confidence. This is also easily one of my favorite things about GraphQL. We can easily check if a field is being used or not, and then removing it from our schema without impacting clients. And that's how we safely remove GraphQL fields using logic and facts. On one hand, we have GraphQL CodeGen and server preset saying the field is not being used. And on the other hand, we have Hive console saying, that's right, the field is actually not being used. Which means we can remove the field with full confidence. And that's it for today. If you want to dig more into GraphQL CodeGen and server preset or Hive console, I left the links in the description below. My name's Eddie. See you next time.